Yeah, make us say a victory for Mahama is a victory for slave queens. A victory for Mahama is a victory of people who have no experience, people who have nothing to offer Ghanaians.
President Mahama there. I am going to Ghana for me GND and Musa to Abama. But she be anywhere President Mahama share with this so that. In fact, President Mahama in the style of governance, or your populace, and you obey ya. Nipa babaje so kekena oye. Onye one tenase mini policy bia ho abetumi abo o man Ghana da. Enti eto da na you very 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 sorry and I say you know it's like you didn't want you ntia say Ghana for to me tenase na osa convince from no mko to abama no. O ja say you see drip asama wo ken. Senya wo kan ono ankasa ka say Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo drip machines no toy no. A political gimmicks. Okay, say politics. O pese o nya political capital bi na ye to abama no. Enti wonti ase say Nanado akoto so afidie no. O ba ya o be point coordinators. Regional, national coordinator, regional coordinator, sumle me sure say ante bia district coordinators Ebeka one na che say sika na wo so ba be protect amayen wo be say in fact the voice
yes
but that catch say within 4 years Adam Mahama animi your debt no obetumi dia cover 5 times.
Oh, of course. And I say we are started here say in the
because within 7 weeks Obobo 60 billion.
No, the current figure now is 63 billion. The current
yes,
figure
almost
as of
65
Friday.
billion.
Yes.
Almost 65 billion. And you know, and he said, a copa say, yay, Ghana for you to me up to Nasi my papa way. Wabe, may the makers was coming here, dear. And your big problem. Your mom pie say, Nyame, more your home buying, not 2028, Yama Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Embra. So I'm mad here as a mat here. And to them moving to us now. To the messenger.
I say our girl wants attention, and man attention.
Yes.
Why?
Yes.
You me that say. All right, Quabs, welcome back. Good evening.
Yeah, thank you. Sorry, Ominya network. Oyare and BB Sami.
Welcome, my brother. But what is saying?
What's it mean?
Let me tell you, Kampa. It is saying. Oh, Quabs, I can hear you. I can hear you loud and clear.
Yeah, but what it mean?
Anne.
What's it mean?
Yes.
Oh
yes.
yeah, it's on.
Yatonka.
But what it mean?
Yatonka.
Network not here for you.
Yamana dar me you now so.
Boko.
Okay, beautiful. Yeah. Aha. Nyana me pesa me kan say wait. Thank you so much. Mo amoba mostly yan yentimi adwuma ne ade ntimo mo yi manim woni JOD ene nsawam Sawam guy, no, all those people that have been very vociferous in speaking for MPP on this social media platform. Nyamisha mo bebre, okay, Nyamisha mo bebre. Nyameti makane say, okwanye omo from the emphasize no. Now, omo say, akankasa me say, ochutwa mene bia no sraya yana. So they are scared that the thing that they use the media against us. Now that they are in government and we are in the opposition, we might use the same thing against them. So they are using any means. That is why Sam George has started closing down some FM stations on the note of a very trivial reason that he's giving. But TikTok, they won't even close. No, there's no way he can shut down TikTok. Yes. Okay. For no betray, I can say. What say? President Mahama say. Nanado, the way we move independence, and Ebeba be sisa numerous appointment, duplication of position, appointments, yeah, or yeah, so. Sir, Nanado time, Nyano move independence across regions, They always come out with the figure, say 15 million Ghana cedis, 20 million Ghana cedis. It doesn't make sense. That's what that opportunity cost. Say they could have used it to build hospital, they could have used it, but they always forget, say, regions na nanado deep independence go near local economy the way boost to here for that week in India, they take it out of the context. They don't factor it. So you almost say president ebe celebrating independence no jubilee. Or per crowd on trying the bedroom no make a speech. You better not see. But until say they can prove to us sikana you say we on it by not doing the marching, this is what we have done, we will never agree with them because anymore. You can take away the money. You can save the money. At the same time, it will not reflect in the ordinary man's pocket. That is the most important thing. So, bet okay, me moving across regions. Say be 15 million, I may save 1 million, may spend only 1 million. 40 million, media baby mama who say, this is what I've done. And only appointment jobs be now, duplication of positions now. Me no any witness say, oh, my God, the more as the same. Because positions in one you just don't get it. A duplication of roles, you just don't get it. Bit side Jocelyn Dumas there because why appointed KOD or Minister of Foreign Affairs or what's on the black experience about sad director of affairs. Me say black Americans and then they target you or more. So or no KOD and what the job description I just don't get it. Okay, but now the year of return. And I say more jehon sabodie. Na do the year of return by. And as I say, the more titina basa. We find the tea no a pint, we find the nine no a pint, we find the tea no a titi no a panis so as man here. But me then I met my cancer. No cry about say. What your appointment? But the way I'm more to where see so mukasa on social media and one your appointment no more ever.
Omo joma home kakra.
Omo joma home you free hiva. This is the time. Opposition is the time that we see the loyal people and the committed people. It's not only when it's juicy. Okay, to me, I may bomb by a mouse say anytime Obia will say about me will say when the voice, the power that be should recognize you.
Amen.
And should remember your hard work. Thank you so much, Nyamisha.
Thank you so much, Kwas, for coming through, my senior brother.
This time,
Yo, so far, good evening. Pacho, what is it?
Yeah, good evening. Pacho Boko, Namuswe.
Yes, I don't mean who Pacho 5 minutes. Where your first time? How?
Yeah, we are my first time. But me too, pa na me time no sentino menta.
Okay. I see the Eiffel Tower. Are you in France?
Yeah, Pacho, me France.
So, ça bouge chez toi?
Oh, yeah, c'est bien.
Ok, il n'y a pas de drap. Bienvenue, mon frère.
Merci. Okay. Enti, the American say, no kwasem ni. Said the Ayɛka no Ghana for aya me di wo ho yaw. And then na me ne woman bi a minim say woyɛ MPP ni pa kasa. Ewo kumase na wo se wa amani fie ni ba akokra nkoto aba. Enti kasa na obusa me say na airport na ewo kumase no omo bia na odwen say ho na mra me bia ma no. These are the things that Ghana for no ya na ye refi ho.
Very good answer.
Yeah, one na me bia ma enye Mahama nyon na si ye. MPP na ehya ase. Ba bia wote wa abu akwa ho. Na nado ne ba be ye abu akwa kwan a sese ama go slow eso ate wo ho. Edu pese ho na me ye airport no. Sabe ukunu fi England ba ofa ba ase na wo yam hyehyew. And the whole Ghana so no we check population e wa abrochire ka me say Ashantis ne bonofo na doso.
Yeah.
Enti say we obi a wo dwere ko akire a enka sabe airport no kura ho nti no ka de beto aba. Because bogus wu Accra Kumasi road no enye wu kitwa. Na se nyame aboa na obi say me airport amamo so de be ya amoso mo ba mo be ba dalet wo ha. Wote ho say dokno boa ye din enti no free education yenwe and a whole lot of things nti wan kwa nkoto aba na se Mahama ba na se ode mu fa saa niema we mu a na sabislemfo so no me di wo ho yawo pa na omo maaki ade we sanya ba wo mia na pese o solve power problem a the whole capital region se wo Ghana omo ye adwuma funu pa ye ayi slemfo excuse me to say omo ye adwuma funu pa o ayi na obi e form mu se enne nanka ye hunu power pani se waba bedane electrical bus driver oka bus power pani ba oka bus papa ya pe ba bia mamwatena na se mumu kwa akoto aba na moyi moni se ye nto aba intermediate the American say Zaman Mahama nya na ne enim no ensamoni na wodi no ye hye no nkura se omia mu pa na Ghana fo mfansu nyansa na eno so no ene bema MPP so no ye nya chance so obo moti modin a e be create chance ama MPP a se ye kwa ye benya kwan a win a lot of seats a ebeboa ye amiatimi ayemla papa enti mumie nya Mahama na ne nsamoni ne adwenboni na wode aba no ose sabi ose ono de sabi asantefo ma se no no de wohia ni srem ni kuram se wonfa asrem ni bi girlfriend da santefo ma kranketenkete no gu wo so no osisi adan akese ma wo mo eno wo hye mlafo se ni wura fi no ho so okasati a petrol price okasati a kenke price okasati a roll fare akufu ado mo de buy o sa kasati a say aspire but asat now you think say na we distribute to my schools no nyame nhyira me de ma no asi me bona ba so say onkoso na adwuma papa no ye Ghana fo hia no ti ne yayi no me da wase
me da wase thank you so much merci beaucoup mon frère Ken Baba ko Charlie what's up
Unia Charlie me se ho pa
it's always a pleasure
so can I share Charlie is great now
5 minutes
NDC for senior modern omo platform me say esu huru dig now omo you cross social media the no guys in social media they will see comment cries I feel that one motivational speech speech is stuff
sana
Joseph Yamin okofa the video be allow campaign basantri the asa dia ba as a reminder say challenge holu mi wonder would be our central region so say just now the Juma Beno ye do we mano at the expense of Francis KJ and Juan Abuna. When you go to the conversation now, best in this world, hey, central region on why you shoot too. Now, you come for no. I say Okatechi is raising some serious questions. And now it looks like Okatechi come to boom. Now a year papa because Okoka say more to come on one phobia appointment. Look at the appointment here the more to come on. We have Minister for Agric and then a friend is saying agro business. And your deputy minister. Now you are appointing Otukono as presidential advisor on agric and agro. I mean, what kind of I mean, also about over 60 ministers. That is fine. What for 60 ministers maybe? Then what again? These people that you are appointing, Otukono, the salary of that only minister you pay. They will accord him. They will accord him everything that the minister deserves. It's not what he as then. What was a minister? What you say? What as a minister? Are they appointed 60 ministers? But I'm telling you, say those who would draw minister salary in John Mahama's government, will be more than 200.
Yeah.
What he's doing is dangerous because they are not there as presidential staffers. The staffers are they will give us the list. No, I say be of 150 staffers and also for 300. But the kind of appointment be now your own. This diasporan affairs a year or day a year Koto Dumas Akoto as deputy. MPP had one. MPP in the creative office. No, Akufo-Addo when he wanted to do this tourism thing, the year of return no creative office no. Or creative come for deputy answer. mo de mo buy ya deputy wa appoint obi blaster experience wa appoint resuma wa appoint this entertainment guys here wa form friend wa share that
abeku nyina
they are all going to perform the same role. I don't beji see osika no beji. So this man, he has not changed. Now ye cannot man say this is the same old John that we know with the slave queen things. Now you see the slave queens they are appointing. Now you who they are saying what you can see. Now Coca-Cola shaper near more baby ashe. What you say? I'm telling you, it's the same old John. I mean, it's the unchangeable John. That unchangeable John that we know from 2008, 2012. Eddie Bana named that unchangeable John. It's the same unchangeable John. He is not going to change. And they are appointing Joseph the Mass and Yashe. And this is one more as your honor. More fun is more starting to a union. Maybe I am going to have 2035. You do honor my bedroom, so they have to work a crowd. Charlie, I'm patient of you so brave.
Yo, may I say, I forgot user 8 is down there, but I forgot him. User 8, please unmute yourself. I'm so sorry. I forgot. I was not seeing down. I thought I was just going up. User 8, can you unmute yourself if you are listening?
It's okay. It's okay.
Sorry so much. I wasn't watching down.
It's fine. No problem.
Thank you. Thank you.
No problem. It's here, Mekase. A victory for Mahama is a victory for slave queens. A victory for Mahama is a victory of people who have no experience, people who have nothing to offer Ghanaians. And Omuna appointment to take over the country. Into me, I'm not surprised. I'm concerned about my party. One, I am there. You know my cost will Ghana no ebe vindicate President Nana Akufo-Addo. Kwame Nkrumah ba ye tu no anse ye hu adwuma oyeye. Kufuor ba ye ofi power anse ye hu adwuma oyeye. Nana Addo aba oko this time around ye be hu adwuma Nana Addo be ye. So normal decisions ekoso na NDC appointment day-to-day decisions na ebe vindicate Nana Akufo-Addo ne MPP government. Intermediate normal cost.
But user must say, whilst this vindication is going on, the common floor member is suffering.
Yes. Sometimes in life, you have to suffer to see the light ahead. We are going to go through the fire. So when we are going through the fire, we are going to go through the fire. It's a blessing in disguise.
Yes, survival of the fittest. If it would be survive, no one survive now.
Exactly.
Now 3 months and now
the people who are going to suffer most are the members of the NDC. They don't have any education. They don't have anything. MPP about 90 to 100%. Will be level-headed. Institutions, business guys. It is a most of people who are going to suffer most are the members of the NDCs. MPP, let's sit down, let's address issues, let's restructure, and let's find solution to it. Then we come back stronger. You don't hear me? Because NDC I've said it countless times. There's no future with them. There's not going to be any future with them. To me, MPP, whatever we have to do now until 2028, and we have to start doing it. Let's prepare ourselves. Let's reorganize. The most important thing we have to do is communication. Communication. That was one of the reasons in TMI Lucy because in MPP, we couldn't communicate to people. We couldn't.
And then I say, Otafu MP Kotina, when this before say, a software science interview now. Yes, a Akufo-Addo in C hospital. It was struggling to even mention the 60-something hospitals, even where they were. He was struggling. So I
Exactly.
think say your communication bureau should do a lot of. You see, they can track some of the people on TikTok here. What you say? They can track some of them. Me I come boom. Me do more to training. Then we spread them. The communication department, I think, say, they are not doing their work. They are
Communication
not.
was poor. Communication was poor. Obusobi offhand. Me patro MPPC, one district, one factory. Out of the blue, name me 5. Nani pakuni jina ho. Regional minister called radio. So yes, you name me project Ekwas Asante region. Wait to me name me more than 10 kra. Communication was poor. Communication was poor. I don't know why our communicators, but we have communicators guru in the party. Vim lady Bekans the same way. Also MPP, we had Obo Elizabeth something Refinidin. Obo Sisai Komu. Those people are Elizabeth Ohene, good. These people are communication specialists, but she didn't understand why MPP were struggling to communicate what they have done.